So we're looking at arc length. What is an arc? So let's see. If I have a circle, right? So let's say that's my circle, and here's my central angle. Okay, let's say I have my angle intercepts the circle at these points here. Okay, then I'm interested in finding what is the length of this arc. Okay, alternatively, if you look at it, well, this is also an arc, right? So if an angle intercepts a circle, in a sense I get two arcs. We call this the minor arc, and we call this one the major arc, right? So if the angle is obviously less than 180 degrees, I'm going to get a minor arc. If I have greater than 180 degrees, I'm going to get a major arc. Okay, so we're interested in finding the length of the arc. Now, typically, we will always ask you for the minor arc. However, keep a note that if your angle tends to be greater than pi, or if your angle tends to be greater than 180 degrees, then you're always going to get the major arc. So either case, your formula remains the same. Okay, so how do we get the arc length? So the length of the arc and we're going to call that small s. So the length of the arc S intercepted by an angle, by a central angle on a circle of radius r is given by S equals r theta, where theta is in radians. Okay, so the central angle is always given in radians. So the length of the arc is equal to the radius times the central angle. Let's look at an example. So in this example, we have a circle of radius 18 inches, and we want to find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 240 degrees. Okay, so let's write down our formula here. We have S equals r theta. Note that our theta here is given in degrees, but when we use it in the formula, we want it to be in terms of radians. So I'm going to have to multiply that by pi over 180. Okay, so I have S equals r, which is 18, times theta, which is 240, times pi over 180. Okay, and so the zeros will cancel out here. 18 and 18 cancel out, and so my S is 24 pi. So my S is 24 pi inches. Okay, so the length of this arc is 24 pi inches. Now, on the exam, I would suggest just leave it as 24 pi. You don't need to multiply that by 3.14. That's a very exact answer. In fact, if you multiply that by 3.14, that would then be an approximation.